Hi bells players, here we are still on mallet page 9. So get your book open to mallet page 9, have your mallets ready. If you need your pencil out, sure, why not? Also make sure you can see your B flat scale that you wrote on the top of mallet page 9. That's the B flat, C, D, E flat, and F, because now we're always going to start by practicing our scale. Okay, so before we play anything from page 9 that's printed in the book, we're going to start with our B flat scale. And the way we're going to do it today is this rhythm. So check it out. Let's start by doing 2 half notes on each note, as in B flat, C, C, D. Notice how I always start my B flat scale with my right hand. Eventually we'll learn to start on your left hand, but for now let's use our right hand for all scales, right hand lead for all of our scales. Okay, so 2 half notes on each note of your B flat scale. And remember, your right hand, can you try that? Your right hand is only going to hit E flat, D, and F. E flat, D, and F. Let's try it. And your left hand gets those other 2, right? All right, 2 half notes on each note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch. Go backwards with your left hand, E flat. Awesome. This time, we're only going to get 2 quarter notes. Okay, up and down, 2 quarter notes on each note of the B flat scale. So as in right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Let's try it. 1, 2, 2 on each. Okay, now that we're warmed up, we're going to look at number 26 on mallet page 9. Now, there's something a little bit interesting. If you don't have, for some reason, if you don't have your book open, make sure your book open to mallet page 9. Number 26, for once, is not in the key of B flat, so technically we would need to learn a new scale for number 26, but there's no new notes that we don't know, so we're just going to go for it. The reason they included this book is they want you to know about the words solo / sole and tutti. So if we look at the top of the page, you kind of figure it out. Solo means you. You play by yourself. Probably what you're doing in your house right now. You play by yourself. There's no one else playing bells or any other instrument with you. Right? That's solo. Sole means the bell section gets a solo. Like you and the other people who play bells get to play together. And tutti is the Italian word for together, means the whole band plays together. So it makes sense if you do the play-along track, what that means. Right now, we're all just going to play the whole thing straight through because we want to learn the song. Now, the time signature seems to be missing. So put your pointing device right at the beginning of number 26. Usually where it says 4/4, it says something else. It has a C. C stands for common time, and that is 4/4. So that's another way to say 4 beats in a measure. Okay? So we'll notice that we start on E flat. So let's say the notes really slowly for number 26. I don't see any repeat signs, right? Scan your eyes to the end. I don't see any repeat signs, so it would be just one time through. Let's say the notes for number 26, and then if you realize you can't say them this quickly, when we're done saying them, pause it and please write the letters in. Okay, here we go. 26. 1, 2, say the notes. E flat, E flat, E flat, F, E flat, E flat, B flat, C, B flat, C, D, F, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, E flat, E flat, E flat, C, E flat, C, D, E flat, E flat. Okay, pause if you need to write some letter names in. What I will tell you is if you have a bunch of E flats in a row, you can do that on the same hand, that's okay. But when it looks like a little scale and the notes are going up the steps, you should use alternate sticking, so you're not playing the whole thing in one stick, because that's weird, okay? So I'm actually going to set up my hands, even though E flat usually is played with your, it's played with your left hand. So left hand over E flat, right hand over F, and when I have to go down to B flat, I'll just cross. E flat, B flat, B flat. That's why it's really important you get this one out of the way so you can get over there, okay? So let's try it. 26, we got left over E flat, right over F, and here we go. No repeats. 1, 2, 26, play. E flat, E flat, E flat, F, E flat, cross over, B flat, set your scale up. Okay, there's a lot of stick moving in there, so if you need to go back and try it again at your own speed, that's okay. We're going to move on to number 27 now. 27 is a lot of little scales, and I hope you get to use the play-along track for number 27 because it is hilarious. It's got all kinds of funny sound effects going on while you're trying to play. Totally worth it, even if you want to just listen to it and not play. Okay, let's say the notes for 27. Pointing device out. Here we go, 27. 1, 2, say the notes. B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, D, C, 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 rest. B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, D, C, D, B flat. Are you ready? Good luck. You might hear my cat meowing in the background. Oh well, he doesn't like this song. Maybe he really likes this song. I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm setting up like I'm playing a B flat scale. So right hand with your B flat, the way we would practice our scale in warm-ups. Here we go, 27. 1, 2, ready, play. B flat, C, D, B flat, D, C, C, C. Go back to B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, D, C, D, B flat. Whoa, that's a lot of sticks. So you might want to go a little bit slower. That's okay. You can go a little bit slower, write your notes in if you need to. 28 is a little bit interesting. 28, you actually have to name the song, write your own name in as the composer, because you are going to write the last 2 measures. It says you need to write 4 quarter notes and a whole note of any of the 5 notes that we know. So we're not going to play that together because everyone's going to be different, but this is when you would need your pencil. It has notes already on it, and you need to fill out the last 2 measures. You can only use notes that we know, B flat, C, D, E flat, or F. It's got to be 4 quarter notes and a whole note. They don't all have to be the same note, but you get the idea. Your homework this week is going to be to record number 29. I see all kinds of rests. I see a fermata. I see all 5 notes that we know. If you need to write your notes in before you record it, that's okay. All right, and I look forward to seeing your videos for number 29.